In order to import information to the cloud from version 4, we need to run a couple of reports in the old version and then back up the data. In this particular company that I'm using, the start of the financial year is January. In Cloud, I wish to start entering my transactions from the beginning of October. Therefore, I need to get the closing balances of my customers and suppliers as of the end of September. To do this, I need to open up the company in version 4 and go to Reports, Sales Ledger, and Debtor Statements. Here you must select September, as this will show me the closing balances for my customers as of the end of September. You can print this report if you wish, or just close out of it. We now need to do the same for suppliers, so go to Reports again, Purchases Ledger, and then Aged Creditors. And again selecting September. This shows the closing balances for the suppliers. Again print or simply close out. We now need to take a backup of the company. Firstly, exit the company, highlight the company, and select Backup. Say yes to back up the data, and please ensure you take note of where you save the data, as we will need to refer to this later on. We don't want to make it our default location, so hit No here. We are now finished with version 4. To import to the cloud, you must open your browser and type in the address app.bigredcloud.com. It is now prompting the user to log in using the email and password. We have a sample company already set up. This sample company was set up using the same financial year, January. We will change the first month of transaction entries to October, so that we can now start entering in transactions from the beginning of October. Once the company is saved, you must go to the Administration tab. In here, we can see the company or companies that we have set up as part of our subscription. Beside the Active section, we have an option for Import. Select Import and we are presented with these two options. In this case, it is a version 4 backup, so leave it ticked and select Migrate. This window should pop up advising that we need to run off the aged debtor and aged creditor reports. We have already done this, so just type in Yes. The next migration window opens up and we need to select File, navigate to the file that we have the backup saved on the desktop, select Open. The file is now uploading to the cloud and will begin the migration of the data with the opening balances. This may take a few moments. This is now finished and we need to make sure that nothing was rejected. We can see when we scroll down that everything has imported, so we can now close this window and move back to the home screen. To check the data, simply open up the company and go to Lookup. We can now see all of our suppliers and our customers. The migration of data is now complete.